Good morning, everyone. Yesterday I have take unit test of trigonometry, and today I am going to solve these all the questions one by one. My dear students, you will match with me your process and answer. Okay. Now I am going to solve unit test. I am going to solve group A 1A. Your question says convert 45 degree into grades. Here given angle 45 degree, and we convert in this way. Now look here, 45 into 1 degree, 45 into 10 by 9, then it is in grade. 9 5 the we have 50 grade. Okay, in this way we should convert the 45 degree is equal to 50 grade. This is the required answer. Okay, all of you match with me, answer your answer. B number, here given angle is equal to 140 grade. Your question say convert into degree. You know, so 140 into 1 grade, so 140 into 9 by 10, then it is in degree. When we multiply by 9 by 10, cancel degree, write down, and therefore 140 grade is equal to 126 degree. This is the required answer. In this way you solve, match with me your answer. Then I am going to solve 2A. In 2A we have given figure. First you draw figure. Okay, A, B, C, and there is that angle, and this angle is A. Your question says find sin A. So here in right angle triangle ABC, reference angle is equal to A. Therefore perpendicular P is equal to BC. You know, opposite side of reference angle perpendicular. Hypotenuse H is equal to AC. Therefore sin A is equal to what formula? P by H. The P is equal to BC by AC. This is the required answer. My dear students, in this way you solve these types of question. Very simple. And this is the solution of group A. All of you match the answer with me of class 6 and 7 students. Now I am going to erase this. Now I am going to solve group B. In group B we have simplify. Yes, in 3A here we have given 8 sin theta plus 2 sin theta minus 4 sin theta. So here we have, adding these two, we have 10 sin theta minus 4 sin theta, and then we have 6 sin theta. Okay, in this way you solve these types of question. First you addition, then you subtract from 10 sin theta, 4 sin theta, we have 6 sin theta. And now in B number, your question says find the measure of unknown angles. Here we have given the figures. Look here, A, B, C. This is 4 cm, 3 cm, and your question say find the measure of unknown sides. You know which is unknown sides? You should find AC. So now look here, in right angle triangle ABC, hypotenuse H is equal to we have AC, base B is equal to BC is equal to we have 3 cm, perpendicular B is equal to we have AB is equal to 4 cm. Okay, here we have perpendicular by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we have, what is the your question say? You should find h. So h is equal to, we have formula p square plus b square. So here we have h represent, what is the p square plus b square? So p square means 4 square, yes, plus 3 square. We have 16 plus 9, its root is 25 units is equal to 5 cm. Therefore AC is equal to 5 cm, which is the required answer. My dear students, you write down, otherwise you match with me answer of previous unit test. We complete group B. Now I am going to erase this. All of you take a screenshot, set a screenshot also. Now I am going to solve group C question. Group C. In group C we have here 4a. What is your question of 4a? In the figure, area of a square. Area of a square. So here we have given this is a square, and here it is right angle, and here is also a square. This is A, B, C. This is C, A and B. Okay. Now look here. Solution. Here given area of a square B is equal to 7 cm. Area of a square C is equal to 90 cm square, 19 cm square. Therefore area of a square A is equal to what? Now look here, your question says find the area of a square A. Now I am going to solve. We know that area of a square C is equal to area of a square A plus area of a square B. My dear students, the area of a square on the hypotenuse is equal to area of a square, the sum of area of a square on the perpendicular and base. Yes, what is the area of a square on the C? 19 cm square. Here area of a square on A, there is not given. Area of a square on A plus this is 7 cm square. Okay, therefore area of a square on A is equal to 19 cm square minus 7 cm square is equal to 12 cm square. Hence area of a square on area of a square, directly you write area of a square A is 12 cm square, which is the required answer. In this way we can solve these types of question. All of you match with me. You know how we find? First you write all the given information. Area of a square B 7 cm square, area of a square C 19 cm square, area of a square A is equal to what? We know that area of a square C, area of a square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of area of a square on perpendicular and base. So here area of a square on hypotenuse C, the area of a square C is equal to sum of area of a square on perpendicular and base. You let it is perpendicular on, it is on the base here, and you have here given area of a square C is equal to 19 cm square, and you should find this. Okay, so you write as it is, and area of a square b is equal to 7 cm square. From here 19 cm square minus 7 cm square, we have 12 cm square. The area of a square is 12 cm square. Okay, in this way you solve these types of question. Now I am going to erase this. Then in question number 4b, your question say, if here we have sin A is equal to 4 by 5, then find cos A, cot A is equal to what? Okay, here we have given, here sin A is equal to 4 by 5, if is equal to, you write here P by H, you know sin A, what is the ratio of sin A? P by H. So here if P is equal to 4, then H is equal to 5. First you write in this way. Now look here sin A is equal to 4 by 5 given. Your question says find cos A and cot A. Here we have sin A is equal to 4 by 5. We have also ratio of sin A is equal to P by H. So if P is equal to 4, then H is equal to 5. Now look here, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem we have what is the formula to find B? We know that h square minus p square. So here we have 5 square minus 4 square. 25 minus 16, so 9. Its root is 3. Okay. So here we have b is equal to 3. And your question say find cos A. So what is the ratio of cos A? B by h. What is the ratio of cos A? B by h. The ratio of cos A B by h, where B is equal to, we have here, just we find 3 by h 5. Cot A, what is the formula to find cot A? Cot A is equal to B by P. So what is the value of B? 3. And what is the value of P? 4. In this way you solve these types of questions. Write down. Very simple, and also this is very important question. All of you match your answer with me. Okay, I am going to erase this. Now look here. Now group D. Here in 5 number, your question is prove that cos theta into sin square theta plus sin theta into cos q theta. Sorry, there is q theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Now look here, you write here LHS cos theta. Here we write LHS cos theta sin q theta plus sin theta cos q theta. From both we take common sin theta into cos theta. Then we have here sin square theta. Here we have cos square theta. Now look here, in both we have cos theta and sin theta common. We take common sin theta into cos theta. So we have here sin theta into cos theta. This is 1. So we have here sin theta into cos theta, which is RHS. My dear friends, in this way you solve these types of questions. And yesterday I have taken exam unit test, and all of you match your answer with me. If your all answer match, then you think you will get 20 marks, and if you have any mistake, then you self keep their marks by seeing the solution of this video. For today only this much. Tomorrow I will start new topic. Thank you.